Good afternoon everyone. So Friday na naman, magbablog tayo dito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung magagandang bulaklak dito. Ito yung tinatawag nilang cherry blossoms. So namumulaklak na ngayon at medyo mainit ng kaunti. Kaya bumukadkad na yung mga bulaklak. O sige, puntahan natin para makita natin. Ayun. So, tingnan natin itong isang to. Mamaya magdadating na yung mga tao dito. Kasi doon sa merong isang lugar na pinupunta namin, ito yung High Park. Kaya lang, libo-libo yung pumupunta doon. So, ito na muna, dito tayo sa malapit. Kasi maganda rin naman eh. O, ayan. Ito yung cherry blossom na kaakit-akit na pinupunta ng mga tao. Niligay ko muna yung coach ko doon. Baka tayo matikita ng pulis. So habang wala pang pulis, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo dito. Para makita nyo yung magandang cherry blossom dito. Ayan. Oh. I think 300 na puno ang tinanim dito galing sa Japan. Para hindi na tayo pupunta ng Japan, dito na lang. Dito na lang sa Ontario, Canada. Ayan. Oh. Puntahan natin yung maraming lugar doon. Tingnan natin kung titigil itong yun. Taon-taon itong bulaklakan na to. Ayan. Kaninang umaga kasi umuulan. So habang biglang uminit, ayan, naglalabasan na yung mga tao. Maganda kasi puntahan ito pagka mainit eh. Ayan. Ayan. Gandahan natin ang kuha sa ating sarili. Ayun. Ayan. Ikutin natin. Ayun. Oh, may nagpipicture pala doon. Sorry. Mga 2 araw pa at open na tong bulaklak na to. Ayan. Ayan. Merong isa doong puno na open na eh. Tingnan natin. So, isa ito sa 16 na lugar na pwedeng puntahan. Dito ang Centennial Park. Ayan. Maganda rin naman puntahan dito eh. Kung gusto nyo mag-picture taking. Ayan. Ikutan natin itong isang to. Magandang itong isang to, mababa. Very nice. Let's do the picture. Oh, video pala yun. Yun. Oh, this one, medyo pink pa ang kulay. Wow. Look at that. Oh, ganda, di ba? Hanggang doon sa dulo. Up to there.
Hi, the sunshine. Why is it my mom?
Let's do this one. Oh. Nice.
They're so pretty. I know. Okay, I stand all back home. All those way, take off, close your eyes.
Dai Matteo,
Take off this one.
iskinite te giacchette, se sa così come Mattisto, ja. Facciamo l'ovno, sta.
Yeah.
Nemoj njega uhvatiti, ne, neću na teba. Vjetar me vraća.
Come a little.
Okay, let's go back. I wanna check my car. Baka may ticket na yung kotse natin. Ako, patay tayo bata. Come on, come on. Come on. This one is already full bloom. Oh. Open na siya. Very nice. One more on this side. Ito pa. Oh. So ito yung sa Centennial Parkway dito sa Mississauga. Oh, Mississauga and Etobicoke. It's all the way hanggang doon. Okay. So balik na tayo. Baka tayo matikitan ng ating sasakyan. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. Good morning. So this is the second day of our cherry blossom hunting place. So today nandito tayo ngayon sa Korea Park. So we'll check out Korea Park. This is the alternate if you don't want to go to High Park. Ang High Park kasi ay very busy, very busy place. Good morning everyone. So today is Saturday. Ito ang ating second day ng cherry blossom hunting. We'll check out this Korea Park here in Mississauga. This is the second alternate if you don't want to go to High Park. High Park is in Toronto, which is a very busy place, and it's a long walk to get there. Okay, so let's see. We park our car here, and looks like there's no parking fee kasi sira yung machine. Okay, we'll see. Oh, ayun oh. Very nice. Oh, that's Korea Park. As you can see, here in Mississauga. So this is not cherry. This is it looks like I'm not sure what flower is this. Hindi ko alam kung anong flower ito.
Nhưng mà trời hôm nay nó vẫn không được xanh hả?
Wow. Sorry, it's okay. Yeah, beautiful. Let's follow them. Okay, maybe another 3 days bago mag-open itong cherry na to. Maliliit pa. What I know, yung lahat na yan ay cherry blossom trees, kaya lang hindi pa siya nag-open. I think that's another week bago natin makita yung blooming ng cherry blossom. But let's see. Yeah, we have to wait another week. Another week. We kind of So this is Korea Park in Mississauga. Very beautiful place, beautiful park. Right now it's 8 a.m. in the morning, so wala pang tao dito. Medyo malamig pa rin, 6 degrees. Yeah. May nakita akong isang trees na open na yung cherry na yun. Medyo open na yung bulaklak niya. So we'll check out. Yeah, it's starting to bloom. Yeah, that one. Gumpisa nang mag-bloom yung cherry. It's nice. Beautiful. Ikot tayo dito. Ito, cherry blossom din ito. But it's not open yet. I don't know why. Kind of late. That one is, maybe that's the oldest one. Panganay. Yeah. It's not open yet, even here. But we can see. Maybe we will come back next week. Usually this is like a pink flower, but it's not open yet. We'll check out later. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Ayan, may model pa ako. So you're my model today. There you go. Oh, meron pang small poles. Ayun. Ganda. Okay, that's it for today. We'll come back next week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, mga kaibigan. Ito yung aking brand new channel. Thank you po and have a nice day. Now, we'll go home. It's very cold.